Hey friends, welcome back to Money Mastery, the ultimate destination for leveling up your financial prowess. Today's topic is a total game changer: understanding credit scores, a guide to financial well-being. Buckle up because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of credit scores, demystifying the secrets to financial success. But before we unravel these mysteries, do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's embark on this journey together. Tip 1. Cracking the credit score code. First things first, let's crack the credit score code. What is it, and why does it matter? We'll break down the components of a credit score, shining a light on how your financial habits impact this magic number. Tip 2. Amping up your score. Now let's talk about amping up that credit score of yours. We'll share some ninja tips and tricks to elevate your score to new heights. Spoiler alert: it's not as complicated as you might think. Tip 3. Credit score hacks for financial mastery. Ever heard of credit score hacks? We've got a few up our sleeves that can turbocharge your financial well-being. From strategic credit card utilization to timing your credit inquiries, we'll spill the beans on how to play the credit game like a pro. Tip 4. Navigating the credit report wilderness. Your credit report is like a financial jungle, full of information, but not always easy to navigate. We'll guide you through the thicket, helping you understand how to read your report, spot errors, and ensure your financial reputation remains top-notch. Tip 5. Credit score and your financial goals. Did you know your credit score can impact your ability to achieve your financial goals? Whether it's buying a house, getting a sweet ride, or starting a business, we'll explore how a healthy credit score can be your financial ally. Tip 6. Credit score success stories. We're not just about theories. We've got real-life success stories lined up for you. Hear from individuals who've turned their credit scores around and unlocked incredible financial opportunities. It's proof that with the right knowledge, anyone can master their credit. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's unravel the secrets to financial well-being together. Don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss the next episode on Money Mastery. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's roll.